Hi, boys and girls. We are continuing to learn about George Washington Carver this week. So first I want you to click on the link for the video and song about magnets. And once you're done with that, you can click to this next slide and I will read this piece of work or excerpt from a book. It says how magnets work, and it says a magnet is a kind of object. It is a magnetic force. You cannot see magnetic force, but you can see how it works. Attract means to pull together. Repel means to push apart or push away. Magnets also attract some metals. All magnets have two ends, and if you recall, those are called poles. One is the North Pole, one is the South Pole. Suppose that you have two magnets. The two North Poles will repel, which means they'll push away, and the two South Poles would push away also, but if you put a North Pole and a South Pole, they'll come together and attract. Now I want you to answer these questions. First, I want you to listen to the story that I just read, and you're going to answer these questions after you've finished listening to it. Number 7 says, Devi and Mara both have magnets. They pick up paper clips. Circle the magnet that picked up the most paper clips. And then after that, explain how you can know if a magnet is strong. In this next one, I want you to circle the picture of the poles that attract, meaning they come together, or an X over the ones that do not, and then fill in the blanks with the attract or repel. So unlike poles, do they attract or repel? And then like poles, do they attract or repel? And that's it for today. Have a great day.